Hi, I'm Miss Boom. Let's simplify algebraic fractions. Here we have the fraction 5 over 15. How would you normally simplify this? We can write them out as factors, 5 times 1 over 5 times 3, and then we would cancel out common factors. So the 5 would be cancelled and we're left with a third. How do you simplify algebraic fractions? You can use the same method. So write them out as factors, and I will look for common factors. Here we have a as a common factor, cancel them out, and we're left with 5 over b. Let's do some more complicated examples. What are the factors that are common here? X plus 1 and x plus 1. So we can cancel these out and we're left with 2/5. Now be very careful, x inside a bracket is not a factor. We read the numerator as 2 times x plus 1, not 2 times x. X is not a factor, x plus 1 is a factor. Let's do question 2. What are the common factors? It's a plus 1, so cancel them out. In the numerator, we have just 2, and for the denominator, we have 5a plus 3. Whenever you cancel common factors, remember, it's always a numerator with a denominator, so a top with a bottom number, never a cross. Let's try these out. So look for anything on the top that can be cancelled out with anything at the bottom, and we can see x minus 3 there and there. And we can also see x plus 1 here and here. So now we're left with x minus 4, x minus 1 on top, and x minus 5 and x plus 3 at the bottom. Next question, how would you solve this? Now we notice the division sign. So we have to recall, how do we divide fractions? Well, to divide fractions, for example, this one here, we would multiply by the inverse, or in other words, we would change the signs to multiplication and flip the second fraction, and then we can multiply through normally. So let's do that. So we change the signs to multiplication and flip the second fraction. So now we have a minus 3 at the bottom and a minus 5 at the top. And now we look and we can cancel. So never cancel with the division sign, always cancel with the multiplication sign. So we can see a minus 3 and a minus 3 occurs there and there. Cancel that out. And where else can we see? A minus 5. So now what are we left with at the top? If there's no numbers, there is just a 1 at the top. So 1 over a plus 1. Next question. Again, division. So what do? Multiply by the inverse. So flip the second fraction. Don't flip the first, always flip the second. All right, and now we look for common factors, cancel them out, and write down what is left over. That's it from me today. You might want to practice these questions on your own again and double check you have the same answers. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.